A very good morning to all of you, dear children. So Pushpanjali ma'am is back again with the workbook exercise. And the exercise that we are going to do is of chapter number 3, bitter medicine. In our previous video we did few exercises, and today in our next video, in today's video, we are going to do the remaining exercises that are there in this chapter. Okay, so now moving ahead, select words from the box and fill in the blanks. So few words are given in the box and we are going to fill in the blank which are given below it. The words are fresh, strong, angry, sweet. Fine. So we are going to fill up the sentences, the blanks which are given below with these words. The cricketer is tall and strong. The lemonade is cold and sweet. So in this manner we are going to fill up the sentences, the blanks with the help of these words. Fine. Now match words which have almost the same meaning. Now few words are given in box in the first box, and few words are given in the next box, and we have to match the words which have almost the same meaning. For example, pieces of and bits of, it almost means the same. Small, tiny, it almost means the same. Fond of, love, it almost means the same. And garden and park, it almost has the same meaning. Now use the group of words from the previous exercise in the blanks below. Now whatever we have matched in the previous exercise, we are supposed to use them in the blanks given below. We dash our parents. We love our parents. We are fond of our pets. So love and fond of, they almost have the same meaning. Fine. So we are going to place it like this, and in the further sentences also you are going to pick up the words from the box and you are going to place it rightly. The related sheet will be there with you, but first you are going to attempt it by yourself and you can verify the answers later on. The next exercise says, write the words beginning with P, Q, R given in the box in the alphabetical order in the appropriate columns in the table below. What do you mean by an alphabetical order? Alphabetical order is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H till X, Y, Z. Every letter is coming in a particular order, in a particular series. Fine. X cannot come before B. C cannot come after H. So they are having their own place, and that place is fixed, that order is fixed. So that is called the alphabetical order. Now here we can see that total 9 words are given which are starting with letter P, Q, R. So we are supposed to place them in the alphabetical order. Now when we are talking about the letters, the words which are starting with letter P. So here 3 words are starting with letter P. So the first letter is common. So how are we going to place it in the alphabetical order? We are going to have a look at the second letter that is there. Fine. Second letter we are going to place it according to the alphabetical order. For example, pistol is coming at number 1. Why? Because after P the letter I is comes before L and O in the alphabetical series. So pistol will come at the first position. At the second position, plane will come before police because L comes before O. Fine. So in this manner we are going to complete this table according to the alphabetical order. Please do take care of your handwriting also. Okay, dear children? Thank you. Bye. Take care, and we are going to meet soon in our next video.